Hi everybody, it's Becky from Icing on Top Becky's Cakes, and today we're gonna make these super cute mini cupcakes that are St. Patrick's Day themed. A little pot of gold and a 4-leaf clover with some rainbow sprinkles. Here, check it out. They are super cute and super fun, and they're really easy to make. So let's begin.
Now we have mini cupcakes and we have regular size cupcakes, and I'll show you how to do these designs on either. We're going to use a large round tip. It's a size 10 Wilton tip, and this is going to be, we're going to use some chocolate buttercream in. So I've filled it up with yummy chocolate buttercream, so these cupcakes are going to taste amazing too. I'm going to use some Wilton gold pearlized sugar, and those will just give you the coarse, almost like sanding sugar, but it's a little thicker than that, so that it'll be little gold pieces for us. I really like the look and the texture of these, so I'm going to sprinkle it onto a plate. I'm just pouring it out, and that way it'll be ready to go when we get the buttercream on our cupcakes. We're just going to pipe all around the center, leaving the outside not decorated, because we're going to do that after we dunk this into the sprinkles. We're just going to pat it right around, smooth it around in a circle, make sure it's completely covered with that gold, and then we're just going to simply pipe around the outside, and that'll give us the rim of our pot of gold. Now, what I love about these designs is they're simple, easy, and cute. Because this is a little mini cupcake, it's adorable. But I'll show you how to do this also on a large cupcake. I mean, the regular size, not a super large one. So exact same thing, we pipe some buttercream in the middle, and then we take that cupcake, turn it over, and press in all of those lovely sprinkles. So there we go. Oh, missed a little corner. There we go. Now we got it all pressed in, and we'll just pipe around the rim of this one too. And that will give us our large pot of gold. Super cute. Now for some color, we're going to use the 2D tip and some lovely peppermint buttercream. And I just lightly colored it with just a teeny bit of green. And to give it a really pepperminty mint green look, we're just going to go around and pipe a little tiny rosette right in the middle here. And then we're just going to sprinkle that with some rainbow sprinkles. Now the tips most frequently used to make rosettes are 1M, 1B, and 2D. So today I'm just using the 2D. There's not much difference between those three tips when you're piping rosettes. So yeah, with a mini cupcake, you just want to keep your rosettes nice and tight so that you have the full rosette right on the cupcake. But I'll also show you how to do that on these large ones here. Those are so cute. I love minis. All right, now for the large one, starting in the middle, you've probably seen me pipe these rosettes on a large cupcake before, and then just go around and then stop on the pressure and keep pulling. And then we'll add some sprinkles to that one, and I will show you how to pipe a 4-leaf clover on these, and that is a lot of fun. So we're going to use a petal tip for the 4-leaf clover, and I'm using a small petal tip because I want to have little 4-leaf clovers. This is a 101 tip. You can use the larger ones if you want a larger 4-leaf clover, but in order to get them on these little minis, we want to make sure that it's small enough. Now with the petal tip, you always want to make sure that the narrow end is facing out so that the edge of the petal is thinner. I'm making a heart shape and I pull it in, and then on the exact opposite end of this heart, I will pipe another heart shape and just pull it in towards the middle. And then we're going to overlap that exactly on the other side and flip it over to the opposite side and do it one more time. So they're really easy to pipe, these little 4-leaf clovers. And then I'll just pipe it on all the rest. Let me show you one more time here. So again, it's just the heart, flip it and do a heart on the other side, and then do the overlapping hearts. And there is our 4-leaf clover. And then we're going to switch out the tip and get a small writing tip. And with that tip, that was the size 2. And we're just going to add the little stems on each of these. I just kind of curve it just a little bit, add a little bit of fun to it, and that is our lovely little 4-leaf clovers with our peppermint buttercream. Feeling very much St. Patrick-y here. It's awesome, and these were a lot of fun to make. They were easy, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and check out all the other fun videos. Thank you.